Hey everyone, this is Dr. Kanita. I'm going to show you a few exercises that can help with rotator cuff issues or frozen shoulder. So frozen shoulder is basically sometimes an injury or some sort of fall can cause all the tendons to kind of freeze up, frozen shoulder. So it's really hard to move. I was seeing this a lot lately with my patients. They could barely, flex their arm up. Felt really tight all the time, and most of the time the shoulder muscles are quite atrophied at that point if they don't get it treated right away. So it's really important to get treatment for frozen shoulder right away and to get it moving so that it doesn't get worse, because the longer that you let it sit there, it actually will progressively get worse. You might have to get surgery there, which we don't ever want to do, and all the muscles around it start to get weak. So these are really great exercises that you can do that help with the circulation in the shoulder and get it to move better again. So I'm going to start with the neck one, because the neck and shoulder are very related. So even though it's for the neck, it's connected all throughout the shoulder. So you want to make sure your neck is also moving well. It's really, really simple. It's neck rotation, and I think people take this for granted. Basically, it's the same stance that we've done for Qigong, right? The shoulder width apart, knees bent, and tailbone tucked underneath. You're gonna have your chin tucked a little bit, elevate from the top of your head, and it's just a rotation. So you're just gonna turn your head to the left, come back to the middle. But when you're doing this, it's not just like, you can just turn your head, it's no problem. But having that intention, feeling all the muscles work, and then when you bring it back to the center, the neck muscles should be relaxed. So again, rotating to the left, right? You're gonna feel kind of like where your limit is with the stretch and the muscles. And just kind of pushing that a little bit, but not too much. Back to the middle. Rotating to the other side. So you're feeling each part of the neck rotate. So this has a little bit more intention than just rotating your neck. But really important for any kind of shoulder injury though. Do a couple more each side. And I can feel where I'm more tight too in this area. Then the next one, I love the names they give us, a pulling 9 oxen. So you're gonna have a very loose fist with the palm facing up towards the ceiling. And what you're gonna do is you're gonna reach forward here like you're gonna grab something, right? So you're essentially from here, you're rotating inward. So it's like spiraling here. Then you're gonna pull, like you're pulling a rope back towards you. So extend. So this is helping the shoulder. Again, go to your limit, because some people had trouble lifting. So this is, you can do it a little lower if you can. And pulling, but it's helping kind of activate the shoulder muscles here. Reaching, pulling inward. So you should feel all like this, the muscles spiraling, contracting, working. This is also helping your back muscles activate too, for your shoulder muscles to work properly. Pulling in, so you almost like, your body almost wants to shift forward too when you do this. But don't lean too far into it, just enough. And then the other one, sinew stretching you can do is, basic is the same, similar idea. So get same stance, your hand's gonna be about shoulder height, maybe a little bit lower, so it just depends how bad your shoulder is feeling. So you can't even do that, like just lifting here is totally fine. So what you're gonna do is you're gonna rotate. I'm gonna go to my right, the right hand up, the palm upward, while your left hand goes the other way. So you can extend. And from here, if I'm rotating to the right, think of if they're trying to pull you, so you're extending out, like someone's pulling you to your right. Then you're gonna go to the other side, you're gonna twist like a twisted rope, go to the left side. So think of someone, like a sensation of someone pulling you to the left. So you're just gonna rotate, alternate either side. Again, some people have trouble, so if your shoulders really hurt and you can do it only this way, that's totally fine until you get to this range of motion. Right? This is sinew, so it's like the spiraling of all the muscles, the shoulders across the chest into the other arm. So rotating, like you're almost like wringing a towel. Someone's pulling me to the right, rotating, pulling to the left side. So nice and easy, this is regular breathing. But you're really feeling like the stretch on both sides, so that I can almost feel it towards the end of my fingertips, like someone's pulling me. So these are some great exercises that you can do to help with your frozen shoulder or rotator cuff pain. I hope that's helpful.